has reserved judgment on the urgent application brought by Khulubuse Zuma to be cleared of any responsibility to pay Aurora Empowerment Systems creditors. Aurora Empowerment Systems, of course, was appointed to manage the liquidated Pamodzi mines in Springs and Orkney. But workers went unpaid and the directors allegedly destroyed both mines through looting and mismanagement. The liquidators are now pursuing President Jacob Zuma's nephew and 4 other Aurora directors, including President Nelson Mandela's grandson, Zondwa Mandela, to try and hold them personally liable for the company's debts.
Khulubuse Zuma was not in court for his urgent application. His lawyer put up a spirited case on his behalf. Advocate Griffiths Matonsela argued that Khulubuse Zuma has good reason to make the urgent application before the matter of personal liability of Aurora directors is heard in court later this month. Zuma contends that a liquidation inquiry into the affairs of Aurora in 2012 found that even though he sat on the board of the company, he had no knowledge of and did not benefit from asset stripping and illegal gold sales which the directors of Aurora have been accused of. On the contrary, Zuma says he poured 35 million rands of his own money to try and salvage the operations of the struggling company, money he is owed by Aurora just like other creditors.
The applicant is otherwise a creditor in relation to the Aurora estate by reasons inter alia that on the version before my lord, he has contributed sums in excess of 30 million.
The lawyer for the liquidators shot back and accused Zuma of just trying to scupper the upcoming trial of him and other Aurora directors. They accused him of abusing the courts with his urgent application, saying he should have allowed the trial, which has been set down for the 23rd of this month, to go ahead and defend himself there.
He has stated in no uncertain terms and on many occasions that he was not involved in the management of Aurora. So on what factual basis he could possibly approach the master and say that the liquidators of Aurora have erred in taking decisions one way or another pertaining to the business affairs of that company is beyond me.
Another respondent in the matter, the master of the court, which is the one that approved the 1.5 billion rand bill against Aurora, also asked the court to dismiss Zuma's application, saying he has no legal standing to bring the application.
There is no allegation of when any money was contributed. There is no allegation of the terms on which it was contributed. Was it converted to equity? There is no check attached. There is no evidence.
Watching the proceedings, Kosatu Zulenze Mavavi, together with Noom shop stewards, who represent some 1,200 mine workers, who say they are owed millions in unpaid wages by Aurora.
It has been 5 long years of suffering, of death now, of denying of education on the part of the children of these mine workers, of extreme hunger, starvation on their part, of many years living in dark hostels without electricity and running water.
Judgment will be handed down tomorrow. Mbongini Mochwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.